Excellency Mrs. Mette Frederiksen, the Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Denmark, and His Excellency Mr. Peter Taksøe Jensen, the Danish Ambassador to Japan, His Excellency Mr. Hideki Uyama, the Ambassador of Japan to the Kingdom of Denmark. Mr. Kazuhiro Sawada, Director, Office for Quantum Science and Technology, Research Promotion Bureau, Ministry of Education, Culture, Sport, Science and Technology. And distinguished guest, good afternoon. I'm Teruo Fujii, the President of the University of Tokyo. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all here to the Sanjo Conference Hall. It is a momentous day for us to have the honor of hosting such a meaningful event and inviting so many wonderful guests to our university. Today, our world faces crises on a global scale, including biodiversity loss, climate change, for example, plastic waste issues, and geopolitical crises such as the Russian invasion to Ukraine and the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. So these have also brought great disruptions and uncertainty for the future of humanity. Economic and materialistic development alone is not enough to increase human prosperity and well-being of individuals. We indeed are living difficult times. In this context, the role of universities is becoming more and more important. In September 2021, so we released a statement on the guiding principles and ideals of our university, which is called U-Tokyo Compass. Into a sea of diversity, creating the future through dialogue. So as this title suggests, in that statement, I have placed a great emphasis on dialogue. Dialogue means not merely discussion or the exchange of information. Dialogue is the act of trying to something unknown. To know the unknown, we need to pose questions. By thinking together through dialogue about questions that we share, so we can build trustful relations among us. Thus, only through dialogue, I believe, we can share our wisdom and create new knowledge. With this philosophy in mind, I am delighted to hold this workshop as a place for the dialogue among us realized. Quantum technology, the theme of this workshop, is a key technology for resolving difficult problems our world faces. Quantum technology is not just a buzzword. It genuinely represents the next frontier in scientific research and technological innovation. With the digital transformation of our society and the increasing use of artificial intelligence, for example, so the energy consumed by computers has been climbing dramatically. So there's growing concern that this energy use will exacerbate issues like climate change and depletion of the energy resources. So by utilizing quantum technology, we might be able to make computing much faster and more energy efficient, leading to solutions for those problems. From reshaping the world of computing to unlocking new potentials in material sciences, healthcare, and even finance, the possibilities are truly transformative. So I hope this workshop will provide an opportunity for us to share our dedication, passion, and knowledge about quantum technology. And I truly hope that today will become a remarkable day that strengthens the ties between Denmark and Japan. In that sense, I am very happy to hear that a memorandum of cooperation was signed yesterday between the Danish Ministry of Higher Education and Higher Education and Science and Next. So in today's rapidly globalizing world, collaboration is not a luxury, it is a necessity. When diverse minds come together for dialogue, as I mentioned, they bring unique perspectives that lead to breakthroughs previously thought impossible. So today's workshop will serve not just as an academic exercise, but as a beginning of an even stronger partnership between Denmark and also Tokyo in the realm of quantum technology. So let us embark on this journey together with vigor, curiosity, and hope. Thank you all very much.